Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen.
Achieve this
Join me as I
delicious
prepare
fried rice.
the delicious
So I am
fried
using
rice.
carrots and vegetables, bell pepper, different colors. You chop them into smaller sizes and set it on chicken with enough curry. Yes, I put enough curry and other seasonings because I want the curry to. You guys know that fried rice has a different color. Some people use colored. No, it's not healthy to use colored. I prefer my curry. Yes. Then I have to cook my chicken for 3. Very important for me. Yes. Beautiful. Then I set it aside and put some to wash chicken with chicken seasoning. I put enough chicken seasoning and small salt, guys. So after this, we gonna add soya sauce. I love everything together. Here is my soup right now. Then now I have to mix it very well until you smoke it fryer. So I have to transfer everything into my air fryer and grill for 20 to 20 25 minutes to 30 minutes. Yes, I will start cooking. I love washing my rice with hot water or warm water. Okay, then after washing it, I transfer it inside my pots. After transferring it, I add my water. This is the water I use in cooking the chicken. Then I stir it together. I stir it very. We can see the color of the water because I add enough curry when cooking the chicken. Then I add little curry and little season. Then I add no chicken. I love no chicken in my fried rice because it brings a nice taste and a nice color. Okay, so I stir all together. After stirring it, I cover it and allow it to cook for 5 to 6 minutes because we are cooking it half done. Please, half done. So this is it. So after cooking it, I remove it. Then I put another pot. This is the pot. I'm gonna use this pot to fry our vegetables. Yes, we are cooking fried rice. Everything should be fried. Yeah, then I add little olive oil and little butter. You can use only oil if you like. You can use oil of your choice, but olive oil is my favorite. Then I add my onions. Then I stir it together. I stir it very well. After stirring it, we're gonna add our vegetable and everything. Then I add little pepper. Here is my vegetable. I have to add my vegetable. This vegetable is a lot. I'm not gonna use all. Then I add my vegetable and my green beans. Then I stir all together. I also add some sweet corn, little sweet corn. Then I season all and make sure it's well combined, guys. Hey, if you eat my fried rice, you're gonna love. Please, if you're living around, come and join me. Let's eat this wonderful, delicious fried rice together. It come up wonderful and delicious, guys. Then I add some bay leaf. Then I stir all together. After stirring it, I will allow it to cook for just a minute. Yes, I will allow it to cook for just a minute. It's vegetable. We don't need to cook it long. So after 1 minute, I will now transfer my rice inside the pot. Yeah, this is the rice. Yes. So we have to transfer the rice. You can see the color of the rice is already given. I transfer my rice. So after transferring my rice, I stir all together, and make sure it's well combined. Yes, you can see how it looks. It already giving a wonderful color. Please, I love using curry to bring this wonderful color. I don't use any other color, additional color to it. Then I stir all together. And guys, this rice is rising. It's rising, yes. This rice is rising. Guys, try my style. You're gonna love it, honestly. So after that, I have to preheat my, frying pan and fry some orishirishi. I am using gizzard. So I sliced my gizzard and season it. After seasoning it, I fry it until it become very dry. Yes, fry it because I'm gonna use it to garnish the fried rice. It's optional, guys. It's optional. This is how you guys, I love enjoyment. So after this, I have to transfer it into my rice and stir all together. Yeah, this is it. So after stirring it together, I have to cover it and allow it to cook for just a minute. And let me not forget, after mixing the rice with vegetable, I also allow the rice to cook for 3 minutes. Yes, then after this orishirishi, then I have to cover it and allow it to cook for just a minute. Guys, the rice is ready. It's already rising. The rice, let's eat together. There is love in eating together, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.